What? Oh my god, why did it explode? What? Whoa, 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 whoa! No, this is so bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. No. No. Okay. Alright, what first? What first? Home Depot Credit. Dude, why are the clouds on the house? There's no fucking shot. Yo 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 yo. Stupid. Get back in the fucking thing. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So we're stuck. We're stuck. Like we're kind of stuck. What can you really do right now? Stonecutter? Bro, what is the stonecutter? What is the stonecutter crafting recipe? This? Like, I need to get an emerald to progress, or else I have to... Like, I need to get an emerald to progress, or else I have to do all this. Like, I need to get an emerald to progress, or I have to... Like, I need an emerald... Oh no, that was bad. I should stop losing health. It's gonna be night soon, and I'm low on hunger. Hopefully mobs don't spawn on this island. There's torches here. Copper ingots. Copper ingots can be dropped from drowns, and drowns can be created by drowning a zombie in water. So, Copper ingots. Copper ingots can be dropped from drowns, and drowns can be created from... Copper ingots can be... Okay, so after all that mining, here's all the content we got. We have 2 stacks of cobblestone, a bunch of other stone stuff. If we turn all this wood into planks, we have 3 stacks of oak planks. If I turn half of these into planks, oh! So if I turn half of them into slabs, I have quite a bit of blocks actually. But isn't enough blocks to build a mob platform? I know we need to put solid blocks here. Oh. Oh, frick! Frick! No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Wait! I'm so dumb! Why did I build it next to lava? Look at the clouds! Oh my god, it's like the first time I'm appreciating this. And you go down, right? This mob farm is below the clouds. Wait. Like, isn't that's so cool? We're going below the clouds to go to this mob farm. I need to finish it still. That's cool. Wait, no, stop! Oh! This is just beautiful. Oh my god. Bro. Bad, 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 bad. Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare. Bad, 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 bad. We really have no blocks. I'm low on hunger. I think I have to eat my bread now. I'll eat one bread and I'll save the other one for when things get really bad. Now I don't know how rich we are. We need a trapdoor. That's gonna use a lot of our wood. But we have to make these. So trapdoor, trapdoor, trapdoor. Dude, how much? I need to figure this out. I don't know how many blocks we have. See this iron armor? Fuck that iron armor. We don't need that shit anymore. We got diamonds. Actually, an important question. Do we build a roof or not? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's turn all of these into slabs. I guess I can turn this into slabs too. It's cloudy. I like that the clouds block the thing. These clouds are actually so cool. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna just not build the roof. Yeah. Oh! The mobs are spawning! No. It's nighttime. I forgot. We still have a bunch of slabs. Let's spider-proof this place. Spider-proof, we just need to do every 2 blocks. 1, 2. Ah! Ah! What the? What do I do? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, why can't I just torch it? I can totally just torch it, no? I don't know how this works. I'll be real with you guys. Okay, I have a question. Can I break this dirt without it falling into the void? Nope. That dirt is gone. What if okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm expecting right now. We break this. We replace it with this. We're so poor. We're so poor. Oh! Oh! We did it! 1 iron. Ooh, what the? Wait. No, no, no! Oh my god. Bad. Wait, there's a wandering trader up there though. Dude, no, we're not doing this. We're not doing this. Wait! We don't have to do this. I have enough wool for a bed. Do I? I don't have wood though. I don't have wood though. No, don't do this to me. No. Do I actually not have wood? Oh, I don't have enough wood. I should have not made this into planks. Oh my god, the lag. I'm actually in slow motion. It's beautiful. Holy. Okay guys, we are about to send this chicken onto the fox farm from Couple blocks up. Hopefully we land it. Hey. Guys, I'm playing Blitz chess. I'm gonna get to 1,000 rating. Those of you that haven't watched my chess video, you should go watch it. It's pretty fire. This fox thing, there's a fox right up here, but it's just not choosing to fall down. You. Bada beam, bada boom. Farm emerald, emerald farm. That's how that works. Hey guys, it is 2026 right now, and just to show you how long the skyblock video took to film, or to record, this is my hair now, and the clip you saw earlier, I had no hair. And I'm in the new dorm. Like, what is this? Okay, go. Okay, go. Oh! Wait, this is so effective! That's a witch! Oh, nice! This is what I'm talking about! This is what I'm talking about! So much faster than— Yo, what just happened? Chill. Chill, wait. It has not ever exploded on me. Oh my god! This is so much! This feels like a zombie spawner. Oh my god, it's so good! How? How? What the? What? How did that fall? How effective is this? Oh, that's pretty effective. That's pretty effective. I'm gonna close the sky up and not think about that. Oh, dude, this farm works so well. Oh, I'm so proud of it. Wow, this island is actually so pretty. Unless they despawn every time I leave. That's also a possibility. You'll be attached onto the fence. I'll push you down. Come on, go. Okay, okay. Oh! 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 Wait! I have like no confidence that this will like hold me. I feel like it'll fall through the void. Okay, let's do it. Oh! 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 No way! I'm so smart. Wait, how do I build down? I can't build down anymore. Wait, gang, I just moved down like 3 blocks with this method. Oh. Right. I can just do that. Huh. Okay. So, it works. Right? Right? I'm not tripping. Oh, no! Oh, there. Oh. Very cool. Anyways. All that for 3 blocks is not worth dying, so I think I'll just skip. I'll stick to this trapdoor method. Oh yeah, baby, we got trees. Our island is no longer limited. We can make a bed now. Wait a minute. Boom. 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 We have a bed. Problem, guys. I want to grab the dirt, but when I break a dirt, here's the problem. Most of the times, it just falls off the earth. So I want to be below the dirt, so when I break it, I can catch it. Just, how do I get down, though? But to do that, I need to get down. How do I do that? Obviously, the first Hey, we can get the dirt now. Oh, should I save my wheat to trade with villagers? Nah, I'm making bread. I come first. Give me some hunger. Boop. Oh my god, we have actual food. That's not flesh. We have bread. Ah! No! 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 Stop! Stop! Survive! 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 I don't have water! Survive! 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 Let's go! You're the goats! You're the goats! Okay, I'm gonna... I forgot fire exists. So move away. Get away. I can't have you die. You don't come very often. Oh wait, I'll just put you in a boat. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god, I thought I wasn't recording. Okay. You stay here. Hopefully the fire doesn't spread. Guys, I have this Brita filter. Yesterday I put lemon juice in the Brita filter, and I think I fucked up the entire filtering system, because now a cup of water is still filtering after like 2 hours. It's been like a good 2 hours, like since the start of the recording. Alright guys, so this is the Brita filter. I started filtering an hour ago. There's still water at the top. You see this? Is it broken? I don't know, man. This is dedicated to my childhood best friend, Hugh. Shout out, Hugh. Keep doing your thing. I love you. Okay, I have an idea to get a bucket. These guys, right, wandering traders, drink milk in the morning, I think. And my idea is to just give the trader a little kiss in the morning when it's drinking the milk, and maybe, just maybe, it'll drop the milk bucket. Okay, but I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow morning. You're spare today? I don't know if this works. It's probably really dumb. No, 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 I missed the chance. I need to be faster than that. Okay, you're gonna come right next to my bed. Like, right next to it. This is actually atrocious voice acting. I don't really need these beds anymore. I already finished breeding the villagers, so I'm gonna steal these beds. No. No! Die! I'm just so low in health. Okay, get rid of this. Oh yeah, get rid of this as well then. Alright, we'll try this again. You are released. Come here. Nice. Come here. Nice. And come here. Alright, you're in. We need a zombie in here. That should be easy enough. Gotta wait till it's nighttime first though. I should build a roof for the guy. Huh, should I? Oh! Hey yo! Yo yo yo! That's a good thing. Alright, come out of here. Alright, follow me, follow me, follow me. Wait, since when could zombies pick up wood? What the hell? Oh! Dumbass! Okay, you will just chill in here? Actually, I'll make a boat. I'll make a boat for you. Why are the guys... Why are they not scared? I don't get it. Okay, now they're scared. What? What? Villagers can climb ladders? Get rid of this guy. Yo, don't be stupid. Okay, they can't see the zombie. It's a half slab. Alright, stay scared, stay running, stay active. Cardio is important. What the fuck? Please. Oh my god. Gotta get rid of you now. Return. Please return. I'm blocking you guys off after this. Return. Very cool. Very cool. Woo! How did he run? You. So like we don't want you to be spawning here. Yo, can you fall already? Watch. Idea. Oh. This is so dumb. What am I doing? Oh my god. That was one of the ideas of all time. What? Is that fish? Today we are going to get some blaze rods. But first, we gotta check. Oh yeah, baby. Oh no. Why do they do so much damage? Yo, why are they not dropping blazes? Yuppie, we got one. How do you get these blazes? Oh my. My god. Not even close. Not even close. Not even close, bro. Oh! Whoa! Not even close. Not even close. Okay, we have enough. Let's go back. What the fuck? Bro, what are these trays, man? Oh, ew, ew, those trays are gross. do I really want to trade my iron for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 20 iron. Oh, ew. I guess I have to. Oh my, ew, I don't want to trade that. Guess I don't really have a choice though. Oh, I just cheap now. Oh, I hate this guy. I hate this guy. Okay. Why are the sticks so expensive now? Oh, I got leggings again? Man. What? Why does it not give me armor? What is this? Oh, I got leggings again? Come on. Come on. Armor, 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 armor. What the? Why does it not drop armor? This is the 3rd villager already. No, the 4th villager. Wait. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th guy, and he's still not dropping armor. Like, chestplate, chestplate. Okay, so at 3 trades, it gets smaller. And now it gets even smaller. I need wood again. Grr. I hate this. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. You have to keep trading this to get chest plates. Oh my god, I did all that for nothing. I did all that for nothing. You just have to keep trading the diamond leggings to unlock the armor. Oh my. Lord have mercy. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose it. I'm actually gonna lose it. I can't believe I just did that. And now it should give armor. I mean chest plates. Boy, I'm so dumb. Now it gives chest plates. I should have just traded with the original villager. Oh my. Here's a little mini quest that I thought would be nice to end off the video on. I'm gonna go to the end city, get a diamond, and make a spear. Yeah, that's right. I'm making a spear. Oh my god, I hate the amount of anxiety this shit gives me. Oh yeah, baby! Why didn't it do anything? What the fuck?